Hi guys, Mrnewmobile here, please subscribe followed by the bell. So, the upcoming Huawei Mate 50 series. Usually, Huawei updates its Mate series every year. However, the Mate 40 series was officially released in 2020. This means that the Huawei Mate 50 series was to arrive in 2021, thus, for obvious reasons, this device is already a year late. After the long wait, the Huawei Mate 50 series will finally officially launch on September 6th. This is only a few days away, and as the launch date draws closer, there are more reports regarding this new series. There have been speculations that the Huawei Mate 50 will support satellite communication. In addition, Huawei Consumer Business CEO, Yu Qingdong bluntly stated in the Mate 50 warm-up video that Huawei is about to release a technology that pierces the sky upwards. This also implies that the new flagship series will support satellite communication. According to the Securities Times report, a Huawei insider confirmed that the Mate 50 will indeed support satellite communication. This suggests that Huawei will preempt Apple to implement this feature on mobile phones. Previous revelations by Tianfeng International analyst Ming Chi Kuo, the Huawei Mate 50 series will support satellite communications and provide emergency SMS services supported by the Beidou system. It is worth mentioning that on August 26, the patent for method and device for satellite communication applied for by Huawei Technologies Company Ltd. has been authorized. Huawei has previously applied for a number of satellite communication-related patents. In addition to satellite communication, Huawei has also warmed up many functions of the new phone. One of them is the new image brand's Mage, an internal camera optimization solution by Huawei. Furthermore, this device will come with a 6-blade variable aperture lens, according to previous reports. Apart from the Huawei Mate 50e, which uses a Snapdragon 778G chip, all other models in the Mate 50 series, Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 4G chip. It has a 4700 mAh battery that supports 66W wired charging, 50W wireless charging, and 7W reverse wireless charging with a USB Type-C interface. This phone has HarmonyOS 3 operating system, an in-screen fingerprint sensor, and other hardware prowess, as well as a new 3D Face ID. There are numerous smart features including variable aperture, 10-step adjustable physical aperture, super night mode, super macro, macro video, video HDR vivid, low battery emergency mode, transfer station, gesture support, and smart scanning code. Yes, Huawei Mate 50 series is a beauty with a beastly camera system that is launched with various new technologies. The Huawei Mate 50 has a triple camera system including a 13MP ultra-wide-angle camera, 12MP periscope zoom 100x digital zoom, and a 50MP main camera with an RYYB color system. There's also a laser focus for better portraits. Yeah, that is it guys. Let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here please subscribe, like the video, comment. Thanks for watching. See you on my next video. Peace out.